Okay, so this is probably the most embarrassing habit that I'll be sharing on the internet ever. I'm not even sure how I'll be perceived after this, but I think that this habit kind of changed my life. I mean, not changed my life, but made a little bit of difference by being a little bit more productive. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys a trick that kind of helps keep my life a bit more organized. It's not a very conventional, usual, productive habit, but it gets the job done. And I think that's what matters. Getting the job done, getting things done. So if you're new here and you've never seen any of my videos before, I suggest and welcome you to watch them now and then decide to subscribe to me or not. And then maybe you can like the video once you've actually seen this video and just hit that thumbs up button so that the YouTube algorithm chooses to promote this video more, which helps this channel reach more subscribers. So the habit that I'm going to be talking about is okay, we all like to go to the toilet, right? I mean, we don't like it, we have to go to the toilet. So when we go to the toilet, we are essentially detoxifying our bodies, right? It makes sense. You go there to clean yourself, to groom yourself, detoxify yourself. That's what I like to call it. I'm not gonna say that, you'd like to get rid of your wastes. You can say that, but I choose to say detoxification. So you detoxify your body and you get rid of stuff that you don't need. You get rid of extra wastes that you don't need, right? When you go to the bathroom, you are essentially going there to cleanse. So with this habit, I have matched another habit. I hope so. There are other people that have this habit, that when you go to the toilet, you take your phone, right? That is the embarrassing part, but I take my phone to the toilet whenever I go there to detoxify. And the habit that I've come up with over there is to cleanse my phone. I don't mean physically, I mean digitally cleanse my phone. So we tend to allocate certain habits to certain locations, right? So when you're in bed, your brain knows that this is the place that you sleep in. When you're on the kitchen table, that's the place where you eat. Or where you're on the sofa, that's the place where you spend time with your family or you watch TV. And that is the same way that when you go to the bathroom, your brain is wired to get rid of stuff that you don't need. So over there, I have attached this habit to, cleaning. So when I go there, I sit there on the toilet seat and I have 5 to 10 minutes or whatever, how much ever time I need. So I get rid of photos that I don't need, I get rid of videos that I don't need, and I get rid of apps that I don't use. We spend a lot of our time online, and that is the harsh truth. I mean, it's not even harsh, it's the real truth, and I don't think we should assign it with a negative energy. And we should adapt with how the world is changing. We take a lot more pictures and a lot more videos and save a lot more stuff. So it's important to declutter from time to time. Another reason why I like to detoxify my phone in the bathroom, so I personally do not have any allocated time to get rid of stuff from my phone, right? So I use this bathroom time to get rid of stuff that I don't need. So it just allows my brain to engrave this habit even more. When you go to the toilet, it means it's cleaning your phone time. So here's what I like to do, and maybe you can try this as well. First thing that I do is that I go to the bathroom and I turn on the do not disturb mode. And then after that, I go to my photos app and start deleting photos that I do not need and the videos that I do not need. And there are lots of screenshots there as well, so I get rid of them too. And I also have a goal for when I leave the bathroom. I need to get rid of at least 100 photos or videos, because I have this tendency to take a lot more selfies or outfit pictures for Instagram, and then as well as take a lot of video content from TikTok, so it gets very cluttered. So my goal is to get rid of at least 100 photos, videos, or screenshots that day. Right now I'm at 6,700 photos/video content, and previously this was at about 7,400 or 500. So I still have a lot more to go through, and my end goal is to bring it down to 1,000 photos or videos. And along with that, I also like to go through my apps and delete stuff that I do not use or I used to use and do not need to use it anymore. So this is just one way to minimize stuff in your life. It is very important to get rid of that digital clutter the same way that you get rid of clutter around you. And I think using the bathroom concept is just more easier for my brain to just grasp and engrave this habit. Any new habit that you need to form, it takes a lot of effort and consistency and time. At least 30 days for me to create a new habit. So with that, I'd like to end this video. Make sure to check out my other videos, and I'll see you next time.